Dear students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic from units and measurement, which is combination of errors. This part has a very high significance for all type of competitive exams like NEET, JEE, etc. For that, in the previous videos we have discussed what is errors, how errors are mathematically expressed. তোমালোকৰ যিসকলে আগৰ ভিডিও কেইটা চোৱা নাই এটলিষ্ট দুটা ভিডিও চাবা তাৰ পাছত এই ভিডিওটো চাবা ইয়াতে মই আগৰ ভিডিও কেইটাৰ লিংকটো দি দিম ক্লিক কৰি পেলাই চাই ল'বা so through this video we are going to discuss the combination of errors when two or more physical quantities are added subtracted or multiplied or divided then we'll get the additive nature of error for all cases errors are always added. Let's watch the video. Don't waste time. Keep on watching till the end. Suppose A and B are two physical quantities of same type. A আৰু B একে ধৰণৰ দুটা বেলেগ বেলেগ ভৌতিক ৰাশি. They are measured such that we will get the result of A and B by this way. Say A and B are added and finally we are getting the result Z. A আৰু B আমি পৃথককৈ জুখিলো আৰু শেষত ইহত দুটাৰ লব্ধমানটো যোগফল হিচাপে প্ৰকাশ কৰিলো যাৰ এনসাৰটো পালো আমি Z. তো অৰ্থাৎ Z is equal to A plus B. Now say during the separate measurement of A and B, if del A is the absolute error of A and del B is the absolute error of B, A আৰু B ৰ পৃথক যোগমাপত আমি ধৰি ললো ডেল্টা A এর পৰম ভুল আৰু ডেল্টা B B ৰ পৰম ভুল. Same way, if A has absolute error del A and B has absolute error of del B, then when they are added, we will get resultant absolute error for Z. Say, by the same way, del Z is the absolute error of Z. একেদৰে A আৰু B যোগ কৰাৰ পাছত যেটো আমি লব্ধমান Z পাম, Z ৰ এটা কি থাকিব পৰম ভুল থাকিব আৰু সেই পৰম ভুলটো আমি ধৰি ললো del Z. Now we can write in terms of error the measured value of A. Express it by this way A plus minus del A. Similarly for B we can write B plus minus del B. তো শেষত আমি এনেকৈ এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিব পাৰোঁ এৰ জোখমাপৰ পাছৰ মান জোখমাপ কৰাৰ পাছত এৰ মান আমি এনেদৰে প্ৰকাশ কৰিম A plus minus del A. তো সদৃশভাৱে বিৰ কাৰণে পাম B plus minus del B. সো আমি ধৰি ললো ডেল্টা Z জেডৰ পৰম ভুল. সো এটাকে আমি লিখিব পাৰোঁ Z plus minus delta Z is equal to plus minus delta B. So therefore we can write A plus B plus minus delta A plus delta B. Since A plus B is equal to Z, so that means we can replace A plus B by Z. Then comparing both sides, we are getting delta Z is equal to delta A plus delta B. So this is the result. Error nothing else, the addition of the individual error of each quantity. অৰ্থাৎ আমি কি পালো দুটা ভৌতিক ৰাশি যেতিয়া আমি যোগ কৰিম তাহাতৰ লব্ধমানৰ যি পৰম ভুল পাম এইটো প্ৰতিটো ৰাশিৰ পৰম ভুলৰ বীজগণিতীয় যোগফল. Second one, for difference or subtraction, দুটা ভৌতিক ৰাশিৰ পাৰ্থক্য বা এটাৰ পৰা আনটো বিয়োগ কৰিলে ৰিজাল্টেন্ট বা লব্ধ ভুলৰ মান আমি কিমান পাম. I'm not going to repeat the same thing. সেইখিনি বস্তু মই আকৌ ৰিপিট কৰা নাই। একেদৰে আমি ধৰি ল'ম দুটা ভৌতিক ৰাশি a আৰু b। z আমি যেনেকৈ পাইছিলোঁ ভৌতিক ৰাশি দুটাৰ যোগফলৰ মান। সো আমি এতিয়া ধৰি ল'ম z টো a আৰু b ৰ বিয়োগফলৰ মান। Now say suppose z is the result of difference of a and b. That means a minus b is equal to z. Same thing, if del a is the absolute error of a, del b is the absolute error of b, then we can write for a, যদি del a আৰু del b ক্ৰমে a আৰু b ৰ পৰম ভুল হয় তেতিয়া অন্তিম জোখমাপৰ পাছত a ৰাশিটো আমি এনেদৰে প্ৰকাশ কৰিম a প্লাছ মাইনাছ del a, b কেনেদৰে প্ৰকাশ কৰিম b প্লাছ মাইনাছ del b. So similarly for z also z plus minus del z. So therefore we can write z plus minus del z is equal to del b. So since a minus b is equal to z, a minus b আমি z ৰে replace কৰিব পাৰিম. So comparing both side we will get del z is equal to del a plus del b. That means we are getting the same result as in case of summation. অৰ্থাৎ দুটা ভৌতিক ৰাশিৰ পাৰ্থক্য বা বিয়োগফলৰ পাছত পোৱা লব্ধ ভুলৰ মান দুয়োটা ভৌতিক ৰাশিৰ গাইগুটীয়া ভুলৰ যোগফল। That means irrespective of addition or subtraction, errors are always additive in nature. যোগেই হোক বা বিয়োগেই হোক এৰৰটো সদায় আমি কি পাম যোগফলত পাম। Because del z is equal to del a plus del b, here also del z is equal to del a plus del b. Now in case of product, এটা আমি পূৰণফলৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিম। For that case z is equal to a into b. I'm not going to repeat the same thing again and again. So a and b, the two physical quantities of same type. a আৰু b আগৰ নিচিনা একে ধৰণৰ দুটা ভৌতিক ৰাশি। তো দুইটা পূৰণ কৰিলে আমি লব্ধ মানটো পালোঁ z is equal to ab. So in terms of error we can write del b. Then since the value of del a del b is very small, then after multiplication we will get the result again small. যেহেতু del a আৰু del b ৰ মান অতি সূক্ষ্ম হয় ইহঁত দুটা পূৰণ কৰিলে সেই মানটো আকৌ তাতকৈও বেছি সৰু পাম। সো সেইকাৰণে আমি del a del b নেগলেক্ট কৰিব পাৰোঁ। See how del a del b is small. Say for any measurement, say I'm going to measure the length, and after measuring we are getting the result is say suppose 10 plus minus 0.1 centimeter. Say another length 20 plus minus 0.3 centimeter. 0.1 and 0.3 del a del b, where the value of a is 10 and value of b is 20. So ab answer kiman pam 10 into 20 200, but del a del b how much? Del a del b ami kiman pam 0.03. So as compared to ab, del a del b very small, so this is neglected. You can neglect the value del a del b. Since del a and del b very small, উপেক্ষা কৰিব পাৰিম। So therefore z plus minus del z is equal to delta a. Since ab is equal to z, comparing both sides we will get a. Therefore delta z is equal to, dividing both sides by z, since z is equal to ab, therefore that means in case of multiplication we are getting the relative error, and the relative error also additive in nature. So multiplicationৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি কি পালো relative error আপেক্ষিক ভুল পূৰণৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি আপেক্ষিক ভুল হিচাপে পালো delta z by z is equal to that much. In case of division, say let z is equal to a by b. A and b the same physical quantity. After introducing error, we can write z plus minus delta z is equal to a plus minus delta a, b plus minus delta b. Taking common, you can write using the binomial expansion. We know that 1 plus x to the power n is equal to, this is the formula, 1 plus nx factorial to x square. So by this way it will expand it. Using the same formula for 1 plus minus del b by b whole to the power minus 1, so 1 plus minus del b by b, then plus minus the higher order terms will come. So the higher order terms is very negligible because del b square will come. So higher order term bilak ami neglect koribo parim. Del b by b whole to the power minus 1 ami 1 plus minus del b by b re replace koribo paru. Delta b by, after simplification, since del a del b very small, so multiplication of del a and del b again is small value. That means we can neglect this term also. এই গোটেই টার্মটা আমি নেগলেক্ট কৰিব পাৰিম. Therefore again we know a by b is equal to simply z. Dividing both side by z, b. So finally we will get relative error z by z is equal to del a by a plus del b by b. Since we can simplify it from here also, if we take common plus minus, then we will get del a by a plus del b by b. Then just compare both side, 1 plus minus del z by z is equal to that much. Therefore for all the algebraic operations, errors are always additive in nature. In case of addition and subtraction, absolute errors are added, and in case of multiplication and division, relative errors are added. Last one, when the physical quantity having the powers, so let z is equal to a to the power n is a physical quantity. After measuring its error, we can express a plus minus del a. So therefore z plus minus del z is equal to a plus minus del a whole to the power n. We can write a plus minus del a by a whole to the power n. So simply we will get, using the binomial expansion again, n delta a by, same way we can neglect the higher orders because higher order means very small value of del a by a, so the term can be neglected. Dividing both side by z, a by a, since z is equal to a to the power n, so finally we will get, so therefore relative error to del a by a, so that means powers are multiplied. So therefore in general combining the multiplication, division and power if say suppose Z is a resultant physical quantity of A to the power say suppose P, B to the power Q and say suppose divided by C to the power R, then simply we can write relative error of Z del Z by Z is equal to power of AP, that means P into del A by A. Errors are always additive in nature, so for multiplication also errors added. B to the power Q, so Q into del B by B, del C by C. So this is a common formula when multiplication, division and powers all are in one. Hope the entire concept related to the combination of errors are clear. If you think that the video is very helpful for you, please like the video, share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.